and shit in a plate. A Yaksta alone no sit down there as Rasta. A Yaksta only blood clot artist down there. I sing for man and man never look for him.
I'm drinking.
A Yaksta alone you sit down there try to make eye contact with man to get little attention.
I'm gay.
Yeah, batty boy.
Hey, moving a pussy wall and go on like, hey, no ramping me no.
People them, we are cuss BeenieMan, and I say, him should have called me name. Love him, kind.
If you're at a place and it's a matter of survival, and you must eat piece of meat.
No, I don't know about
Hold on the highway, man.
Yo, welcome my beautiful people, welcome forward to the channel. You don't know me deal with it over on my side, don't. Now if you big up all of the ones who I give thanks for life. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on a video, and definitely them thoughts in the comment section. Right now my people, we have Shalom. Shalom come out brawling, and they make the ones them know say yo, them need to stop mixing. Cause I never him the one did a gigi and a laughy with speed when him forward at Jamaica. We have that in the review, my people. And we have future Fambo, my people. Future Fambo did come out and him did feel away when BeenieMan never did give him no credit for rum and Red Bull, my people. But right now, future Fambo make it known to him fans them say yo, we are gonna love BeenieMan. We don't gonna worry about that too tough. We have also that in the review, my people. But yeah, me I say, for all of my loyal subscribers them, I'm gonna leave you with a video from Iwayne. Cause right now, my people, the whole space, it just get batty up. I not lie to you. You understand, my people? Cause the people them should have influence we in the right way. Them not influence we in the right way, and them a chat about gay this and batty that. Big woman thing. Me even not go around here on that whole situation of my people. So right now, I leave a video from Iwayne. Just a video from Iwayne for just remind me say yo, sometimes we can stay militant. Sometimes we even have to get influenced by the space and what's going on out there. Sometimes we can have boundaries and have principles. You understand what I say, my people? And that's the way of life, really and truly. So I want to stick to that one here. I want to leave a like on a video. Remember to subscribe and leave in the thoughts in the comment section. Bad.
Inshallah. You know, I don't like when you sit in a blood clot people, Jamaicans. I love twist things up and go like when you take people for pussy. Everybody in the comment section talk about Shalom, Yaksta Shalom attack. And shit in a plate. A Yaksta alone no sit down there as Rasta. A Yaksta only blood clot artist down there. I sing for man and man never look for him, look on him. A Yaksta alone you sit down there try to make eye contact with man to get little attention. And moving a pussy wall and go on like, hey, no ramping me no. And stop calling warrior name no. How much of that shit in a plate? Me see everybody down there. From superstar to Marlies, me see gatekeepers down there. Where the people, where them are called gatekeepers. I try to look at gate figure. Hey, me no want to ramp with me, you know. I'm moving a pussy wall, you know. Big up yourself, my brother. Go and burn the fire. Shalom. And shalom.
People them, we are cuss BeenieMan, and I say, him should have called me name. You don't love him, cause he never remember. He never remember, say, Ashanti make the rhythm, and I me write the song, and then come at the studio, and him say 2 words. Cause Ashanti do a song, and I say, Charlie's song say, one day, and BeenieMan one say, I'm okay, I don't know if I see a melody or what, but you don't love him. He's a good person. He's a good person. Leave him alone. You don't stop, leave BeenieMan alone. Him just owe him fame, you can't change him. You can't change him. Him just half himself. And it's all about him, and him is everything, and him are the best just and him. You know much time I watch film car. I like his spliff, he never look for me. Not even one morning, not even one day. He would never tell me thanks. Just I like people them.
Fambo, the man never tell the man say I'm alone sing the song. He just never included you. Something like in a courthouse business. He was just answering a direct question. Yeah, me agree still him. Should I give you a little props, yes?
Wait! You may I'm drinking what?
Fambo, you too rascal, wicked for a big man. The man have a whole line in his song, verse, chorus, whatsoever I don't want to call it in music. I don't really know about music like that. But yeah, the man say a lot of things in the song. The man say more than 2 words. So you're so wicked for a big man. I wonder why you look so rum out. And that's why you ain't go sing the song Rum and Bam Back like Red Bull.
Where you taking me?
We're going to Bob Marley.
Bob Marley?
You know, BeenieMan, what is wrong with you? He's a big old long time blood clot star. Why are you being a chauffeur for some little internet kid? What is wrong with your boy?
Message me send right now at Yaksta. Yaksta Cavani. You notice how I never just say Yaksta, I say Yaksta Cavani. Yeah, I say everybody around with the Yaksta thing now. I say, yeah, reggae is back and Ray and T. Before I say this. I love how Yaksta come out now and him make him voice be heard. The disgustingness will take over with society. You understand? You like how you burn that. But boy, you overstand something, Yaksta. You see this thing where you try get into reggae music, if you overstand right now, say, if you want to do your music and burn the system all you want, you have the right. But you see this thing now, global recognition of reggae music, a BeenieMan own it. Sodomite own it. That's why I say everybody behave themselves. We're in it. You notice so all of the big people them in it behave themselves because they know so the people them up at the top are faggots and sodomite and them own reggae music. That's why them water it down and them rape. So 3 issues what me have with the outburst right Yaksta do. Number 1 thing, you go against certain people faith when you talk about Jesus. Just deal with that thing and leave people faith out of it. See? But you have freedom of speech to talk where you feel like to talk. The next thing, me you say you want a bread for your float. So you as a Rasta man now, the issue you have, one of the issues you have with society, you're not making enough money. And then again, you not understand, say, the freaks and the sodomites are them own money. You as a Rasta man now, you see the greatest blow you could have learned to the system, if you sure you would say, him can exist without them system. See? Money is needed. But you see one of the greatest blow you could have learned to the system, if you sure lifestyle will not fully dependent on money. You see, as long as the money is one of your problem where you have with the system, you just get fucked. The next thing when I hear you say, you want the gatekeepers fly the gate and let you in. But ask yourself the question, Yaksta, what you try get into? You know which part gatekeepers them have a gate locked to? In the sodomite kingdom. So ask yourself if you want to be let into the sodomite kingdom, because that's what reggae music is. You notice Coffee win a Grammy without an album. That's a mixtape she win a Grammy for, you know, because the head of reggae music are sodomite and singing. You fear about the system and I make the youth them know so we can survive without them. But your cry is forget the money, the bread for your float, and your cry is forgetting to reggae music. And many times you see people like you come and you see once them get the Benz and the house, then quiet. I hope you're not one of them. Anyway, I say, I love the bravery way you come with. But research Bob Marley, research Peter Touch. Come here, you say you wish you did live in a them time then and nothing not change at the same time.
Remember the growth of vagina, nothing with vagina and penis in it. Yeah, man, you have to go around this push.
If you're at a place and it's a matter of survival, and you must eat piece of meat.
No, I don't know about that.
Hold on, highway man, hold on, fire lad man.
I don't know
What my answer Rasta say?
Like, if you want spot this
must sound mad. Must sound like a madness.
Like if you want place and no green.
You must.
I have to run in for a piece of meat. Which, no, we don't have to know. One of the viewers them know which meat I
That's a crazy question. It's some hacks I win, you know.
We know you're not going to invite the meat, you know, because you don't eat meat. But if it's a case, it's part,
Them say, if them say you have to go.
Yeah.
And most them say, you can't follow what them say. What to me say? No, but I go do it.
Yeah.
My parents just give me meat as a little youth. Of course, man, I was telling a lie. But we grow up that time we know say, yo, certain things wrong. That's what me view it.
Facts.
Right.
True.
You eat certain.
But you know, I'm not go see I wanna eat them food and I force them like a preaching thing and a way.
Right.
You know, but you're not gonna see me I do it. You know, but it because I have family members who eat meat as well.
Right.
You over there?
No, because I say me not eat certain meat, but if me hungry one way, I say curry goat. Because I like the white rice and curry goat.
Remember, curry goat and rice and body
deal
smell.
that, Russia.
I may say something to you.
Right.
Oh, you mean me curry goat? You say you're a goat and race, you just kill him. You don't look on the violence, right? You know, they see when the violence. When all the little kids start crying for all their mother now. Here you have a saw in the knife in their mother throat. Like a cantaloupe, just a saw in the knife and you don't look on the part there. Then you have a next thing you know, fight. Remember the goat have penis, yeah. Remember the goat have vagina, nothing with vagina and penis in it. Yeah, man, you have to go around the push. You see? No, you know you goat have vagina and penis. Which way you do? Cut off the penis off it first, or cut off the vagina first. Or that great. No, more just want to know.
No.
Like, what they do, what God?
They never pre that still. They never pre that part there. But you're right.
Then the male and female,
But
you're not supposed to eat male or
If you're
female.
going to goat still, I'll ram it.
Not even fish me deal with because I don't want a male fish or a female.
No, this serious.
Right.
Not even piece of bird.
But what if a biologist had said to you, say, yo, I you know, say, in preserving life, though, a plant is also a life. So what I'm trying to what you gonna say now? A plant is a life.
No, more answer for this.
Preserve life, you know.
Alright, I'm rather that no vagina and penis are the on the plant.